This is Gigi Gabrielle. Thanks so much for visiting my channel today. So today we're gonna go do, another synthetic wig review. This one's gonna be by Laude & Co. Her name is Jade. Take a look at that. All right, and this is her color if you wanna go ahead and take a screenshot. Now the official name of this is UGLY. You ain't got no la by you ugly. Yeah, you ugly. No, I'm just playing. It's not. It's UGL701 Jade. And the color is THL4/ORGD, ORGD. So anyways, let's go ahead and check her out. I got this at my local beauty supply store, which honestly is more expensive than going online. There's a lot of websites that will give it to you at a much better price. I was just like excited. I went to the hair store just to kind of look around and stuff, and then I was trying on wigs and I saw this one and I fell in love. I didn't want to wait because I do have a lot of wig reviews coming up because I've ordered quite a few wigs, so stay tuned for those. I tried to go for like a fall color, and that's why I ended up choosing her because it was between her and then this navy blue wig that I had seen and fell in love with, and also this bright red wig. I don't know, like right now I'm really loving the way that bright red looks on me for my hair color. So I want to go crazy and just get a bunch of red wigs. So I'm talking about bright red. So if you saw that video that I did where I transformed an Amazon wig that was bright red and I made it look really good, that's basically the color that I want. And if you haven't, I'll put the link here up so you can see it, and I'll also put it in the description box, so check it out. But all right, so this is the wig. You got some good parting space here. It does seem to kind of have a little bit of a color to it, the lace. It's not just transparent white, so that'll help out. Okay, hold up. One thing I just want to point out is that this wig came with a little tear on the lace. It won't be a big deal because it's in the middle, but that's kind of like whack. They got some cute hair clips too, so that's what's up, I'm gonna try them out today actually with this wig. But I'm really excited to try on this wig because of the length. The length just seems like, I don't know, it's just like, it seems like very modern and dope. So I can tell right off the bat that it's snug. It's actually like really snug. Like I could go like this, and this bitch is not going nowhere, okay? Let's see. Nowhere. That's how snug it is. It's not even moving back, nothing. I'm gonna take it off and adjust the straps. This is kind of like my lazy version of the bald cap method for now, because I don't want to go in and make the whole mess with spray right now, to be honest. No, I don't. This wig better not give me a headache, okay? Because I'm going through a lot of trouble thinking I'm gonna look really good. And it's gonna be one I'm gonna want to wear for a couple of days, and better not give me a headache. And I don't even have a big head. I have a medium-sized head, so that goes and tells you. But at least that bit is not coming off, okay? It is not coming off. So at least we know that much. I mean, unless somebody comes and snatches the wig off my head, which I'm not gonna stay okay for that. I'm not. Okay, I'm talking a lot. It's just so much fun. Now I will proceed to put it on once more. Okay, I'm just trying to see what we're working with as far as the hairline. I mean, it's pretty good. We'll see now. And I like the little baby hair, it's cute. But look at the lace though. Looks like it's really gonna blend in well. I noticed that you can still see the line of the stocking cap. So I decided I want to enjoy my 13x4 free parting space, and I'm going to go ahead and do the bald cap method. All right, everybody, I'm back. I did the bald cap method, as you can see. Oh my gosh, look how much better that looks. Okay, so it was totally worth it. Oh, thank God. That was a lot of work, okay? Doing the bald cap method, whatever, it's not that hard, but still, it's like, I just wanted to do a quick install, I wasn't expecting do all of that, but it's worth it because it's cute or whatever. This install is not going to be super short. I wanted to put quite a few layers of got to be glue so that it could really stay on my head. Like I mentioned, I wanted to wear it for a few days, and also I did give you guys more details. I didn't try to just like edit it and make it super quick. I wanted to show you guys, you know, the different steps that really goes into it to really get it melted and laid. So I hope you guys appreciate that. And I do want to apologize already because unfortunately I wasn't able to cut the lace while it's on my head in a way that you guys could see. I was attempting to, but I just couldn't see the hair, the hair around the hairline in detail enough to be able to do it with you guys being able to see me. So I apologize about that, but I'll practice and hopefully in the future I'll get it right so you guys can really see that process too, okay?
I know I can be unkind, but you're not always understanding. I like to take my time, but time is what you're always chasing. I know I like to hide, but you're not always keen on seeking. You said you're up for the fight, but I would rather keep on pretending. I feel the divide between you and I, like the distance between the dark and light. But just as the dawn is both day and night, maybe I can make you mine.
Style 1.
Make you mine. 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 Make you.
Style 2.
I know that I have grown jaded, and we could lament over losing the days of our youth. Memories faded, the years we look forward to might be over soon. I feel the divide between you and I, like the distance between the dark and light. Just as the dawn is both day and night, maybe I can make you mine. I feel the divide between you and I, like the distance between the.
Style 3.
Just as the dawn is both day and night, maybe I can make you mine. 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 Make you mine.
Style 4. Style 5. Style 6. .360 time. All right, everyone. So I'm gonna be 100% real with you. I really like this wig. I like it so much. I like the color and it also fits comfortable. And I like that it's 13x4 because like the part goes back deep enough. Honestly, this is like a true 4-inch part, you know? And then this color is just perfect for fall, and the cut is something different from the norm. This wig has so many different possibilities of being able to show off the colors. Just couldn't sit here and do that many styles with you, you know, in the video. But this definitely brings a whole new vibe to this year, to fall. I'm not too used to wearing this kind of hairstyle. This is definitely a fresh a fresh style for me, something new, something different. I think is super trendy. You don't really ever see this where it's the gold with the orange and then brown, all three. That's really cool. This wig does look natural. No one's gonna think it's a wig when they see it on you. You could definitely pull this off like it's your natural hair. Like, you know, not everyone cares about that. So if you don't care about that, okay, but some people do care about that. Me, depending on the mood, I care. The texture is a soft yaki texture. It's not too silky, which is a good thing because I feel like it'll last longer. I don't think it's big head friendly. I mean, yeah, it stretches, so some more head can go inside of it than what I have, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna fit you snug. Something that's really cool though is for the glueless feature, it has these tabs over here that you can kind of push down so it could, you know, so it could lay down without being glued. I didn't try that because you saw me. I ended up gluing it down because I want to wear it for a few days without having to take it off. That's definitely a cool thing to just like be able to like put it on and go. I definitely have some wigs set aside for that, for like my daily wigs. I just put on and go, and that's the best thing ever. So who knows, this might be one of them, we'll see. So I decided to do another style really quick. This wig is fun to play with, okay? I would recommend it. I would recommend it. It's on point, it's with the times right now. It's that season, you know, for all these kind of colors, so why not? And there's a lot of cute medium length hairstyles coming out. Now's the time to try it. And you can do a bunch of different things, some really cute styles, so give it a go. See, this is like a human hair dupe, like for sure, and that's exciting. But listen, hey, if you like my nails, remember they're press-ons, okay? And I used Kiss glue, not the one that you brush on because that one's trash. It comes off like the next day, it's gone. And you gotta get the one that just comes out, dripping out normal, okay? But yeah, beautiful. And then these lashes, I got them off of Amazon and I really like them. I just wanted to share them with you. I know this isn't like a lash video or a nail video, but I just thought, you know what? I'm gonna put down the name of them in the description box just in case like you like these nails or you like the lashes. You know, when you see my videos, if you like something, at least you'll be able to get it yourself too. But I've been wanting some dark, fluffy lashes. In this pack, it came 7 of them, and they're all different styles. So I got it today, and this is my first one that I tried. Please share this video with anyone else that you think would benefit. You know, from like wig videos, or even maybe just to surprise someone like, yo, look how real this wig looks. I'll share it with anybody that maybe needs to learn anything about wigs, or share it with your people because, you know, I'm cool. You know what I'm saying? Watch this video like 10 times. You know, tell me out on YouTube. Like it, subscribe, show me some love, damn. You're here, so you're showing me love right now. Thank you so much. Mwah. All right, I'm just going on and on at this point because I love you and I don't want to leave you. But okay, so yeah, like and subscribe. All right, y'all. Much love. Bye.